Dental crowns are a common dental procedure that many people require to restore damaged or decayed teeth. They're often used to cover a tooth that has been treated with a root canal, protect a weak tooth from breaking, or improve the appearance of a misshapen or discolored tooth. While dental crowns are essential for maintaining oral health, they can be quite costly, especially in Europe. In this article, we will compare the costs of dental crowns in Europe and Turkey to help you make an informed decision about where to get your dental work done. Cost of dental crowns in Europe. Europe is known for its high-quality medical and dental care, but it also comes with a hefty price tag. The cost of dental crowns in Europe can vary depending on the country and city you are in, but on average, you can expect to pay anywhere from 500 to 1,000 euros per crown. This cost can be even higher if you opt for a more expensive material like porcelain or zirconia. While the quality of dental care in Europe is top-notch, the high costs can be a barrier for many people who need dental work but cannot afford it. This is where Turkey comes into the picture. Cost of dental crowns in Turkey. Turkey has become a popular destination for medical tourism in recent years, with many people traveling there to get affordable and high-quality medical and dental care. Dental crowns in Turkey are significantly cheaper compared to Europe, with prices starting at around 100 to 300 euros per crown. This cost includes the consultation, treatment, and follow-up care, making it a much more affordable option for those on a budget. The lower cost of dental crowns in Turkey does not mean that the quality of care is compromised. Many dental clinics in Turkey use the same high-quality materials and technology as European clinics, and the dentists are often well-trained and experienced in performing complex dental procedures. Factors to consider when choosing a destination for dental crowns. When deciding where to get your dental crowns done, there are a few factors that you should consider. 1. Cost. As mentioned earlier, the cost of dental crowns in Europe is significantly higher compared to Turkey. If you are on a budget or do not have dental insurance, Turkey may be a more cost-effective option for you. 2. Quality of care. While the cost of dental crowns in Turkey is lower, the quality of care is not compromised. Many dental clinics in Turkey adhere to international standards of care and use high-quality materials and technology. 3. Travel and accommodation. If you choose to get your dental crowns done in Turkey, you will need to factor in the costs of travel and accommodation. However, these costs are often outweighed by the savings you will make on the dental procedure itself. 4. Language barrier. Another factor to consider is the language barrier. If you do not speak Turkish, you may need to find a dental clinic that has English-speaking staff to ensure clear communication throughout the treatment process. In conclusion, getting dental crowns done in Turkey can be a cost-effective and high-quality option for those who are looking to save money on their dental care. With prices significantly lower compared to Europe and no compromise on quality, Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism. If you are considering getting dental crowns done, weigh the pros and cons of each destination and make an informed decision that best suits your budget and needs.